नमस्ते बच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे ए से जेड तक के अल्फ़ाबेट्स। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। A is for apple.
A is for apple.
B is for bear.
B is for bear.
C is for cat.
C is for cat.
D is for dog.
D is for dog.
E is for elephant.
E is for elephant.
F is for fish.
F is for fish.
G is for grapes.
G is for grapes.
H is for horse.
H is for horse.
I is for ice cream.
I is for ice cream.
J is for jellyfish.
J is for jellyfish.
K is for kite.
K is for kite.
L is for lion.
L is for lion.
M is for monkey.
M is for monkey.
N is for nest.
N is for nest.
O is for owl.
O is for owl.
P is for penguin.
P is for penguin.
Q is for queen.
Q is for queen.
R is for rabbit.
R is for rabbit.
S is for snake.
S is for snake.
T is for tiger.
T is for tiger.
U is for umbrella.
U is for umbrella.
V is for van.
V is for van.
W is for whale.
W is for whale.
X is for xylophone.
S is for xylophone.
Y is for yachet.
Y is for yachet.
Z is for zebra.
Z is for zebra.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.